Hello and welcome to this math question. So you can go ahead and solve this question and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can follow along as I solve. Solution: 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 40. Okay, so let us find x. We can factor out 4 raised to the power x on the left hand side. So we have 4 raised to the power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 40. So we have 3 times 4 raised to the power x equals 40. So the next thing would be to divide through by 3. And we have 4 raised to the power x equals 40 divided by 3. So next we supply log to both sides. So we have log 4 raised to the power x equals log of 40 divided by 3. And from the log rule, we know that log a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. So we're going to use this rule on the left hand side. So left hand side becomes x log 4 equals log of 40 divided by 3. We also know that log of a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Now this rule is going to apply to the right hand side of the equation. So we have x log 4 equals log 40 minus log 3. Now let us break down 40. What are the numbers that can multiply through to give us 40? 20, 10, 2 years, 5, 5 years, 1. So we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 5 will give us 40. Okay? So now we have x log 4 equals log of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 minus log 3. And we also know that 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So first of all, we're going to divide through by log 4. And so we have log 4 equals log 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 minus log 3, all divided by log 4. So on the left hand side, log 4 cancel out. And we have x is equal to, we know that log of a dot b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, so this comes in handy on the right hand side of the equation, which becomes log of 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 minus log 3, all divided by log 4. So we can write them out as standalone fractions. And 4 is also the same thing as 2 squared. So we have log 2 divided by log 2 squared. And from here, this is the same thing as 2 log 2. Okay, so we can just rewrite this as 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2, and then minus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. Now log 2 can cancel, log 2 can cancel, log 2's can cancel. So we have x equals half plus half plus half plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2. Again, so Our x is equal to half plus half is 1. 1 plus half will give us 3 over 2. That's one whole number, 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. Plus, we have half here and we have half here. We can factor that out, and that becomes half into log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, so x is equal to, we know that log of a over log of b is log of a base b. We remember that, so our x is now equal to 3 over 2 plus half into log of 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. Now, what we have here is our final answer to this question. Okay, so we're not going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and verify to make sure that our answer is correct. So to verify, we just plug in the value of x into our equation to see if our left hand side is going to be equal to the right hand side. So we have 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x equals 40, right? We already established that this is the same thing as 3 times 4 raised to the power x. I'm trying to see if this is going to be equal to 40. Now, so we have 3 times 4 raised to the power, our x is 3 over 2 plus half into log of 5 base 2. What else? Minus log of 3 base 2. Okay? I'm trying to see if that's going to be equal to 40. So now we have 3. 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. Okay? All into bracket of 3 over 2 plus half of log of 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and factor out half from the power. So now we have 3 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2. And then we have 3 plus 1, because 3 times half will give us 3 over 2. And half times 1 will give us half into log of 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. Trying to see if that's going to be equal to 40. So 2 cancels out. So we have 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. Now, we know that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m, that's a raised to the power n, and also that a raised to the power m minus n is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. So we're going to use these laws of indices to solve the left hand side. So it now becomes 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 log of 5 base 2 divided by 2 log of 3 base 2. So that's going to be equal to 40. Now we know that from the log rule, a log of b base a is equal to b. Okay, so left hand side becomes 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times this becomes 5 divided by 3. The 3 cancels out. So we have 40 on the left hand side and 40 on the right hand side. So we can see that our value of x, which is this, is the correct answer. So make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.